Learn English vocabulary. English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Friday, May 2nd. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a big thing that you can go inside. And number 2 is a huge country with many people. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The building is very new. The building is very new. Building. A huge creation, usually with many floors. Now we can make a flashcard for building. Please write building up here in the top left corner. B-U-I L-D-I-N-G. Down here, C-T-Y 1. This means city, level 1. Over here, the number 10 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Bill. Ding. Building. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer will go to Russia. Jennifer will go to Russia. Russia. Russia is a very big country near Europe, north of China. Now we can make a flashcard for Russia. We always write the name of a country with a capital letter. Capital R. USSIA. Please make a card like this. Write Russia up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, country 1. This means country level 1. And over here the number 18 out of 26. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Russia. Game over. You did really well today. Today, number 1, we learned Jennifer works in a very big building. Very good. And where will Bob go next year? He will go to Russia. Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? Very good. Museum. Museum. Yes, this is a place with artwork. Number 2, Bob doesn't have much money. He is poor. Very good. Number 3, irregular verb. Quit, quit, quit. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card.